Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for our quick silver morning update on Tuesday, May 4th, as we check in and take a quick look at the silver price here, where it looks like after a volatile session early yesterday, it seems as if the price was tamped down by the market structure right around that $27 level. Flat as a board at $26, then shoots a dollar higher, and then equilibrium has been found as the market has stabilized. So while investors are settling in on the silver control of the volatility, fortunately, I'm joined by Kevin Drover of Arcana Silver. Kevin has some news out today. Kevin, actually a new sponsor to the show as well. And Kevin, we've been letting folks know about you because I have had a lot of people write in, ask about Arcana. You're one of the silver companies that is going to be counted on to get silver in the midst of what seems to be a rapidly accelerating hyperinflation campaign. So I appreciate you making a few minutes. Most importantly, how are you today, my friend?
I am very well indeed. And things, silver seems to be doing okay this morning. It's bouncing around, like you said, some volatility, but generally, the trend is up.
Yeah, well, plus when you think about a year ago this time, a lot of people were upset because silver was up or down 50 cents from 18 bucks. Here we are. A lot of theatrics in the past couple months, yet I don't know, there it is at almost $27. So and especially that's certainly good news for you because you're one of the silver companies closest to going into production. So can you give folks just a quick bit about the news you have today? And we'll be having you back on soon for a full company profile interview with all the details. But just as trading is getting started, if you can walk through what happened.
Sure thing, Chris. Well, we're in the process of getting ourselves into production. We thought we'd put out a press release to just let folks know exactly where we are and, where we're going to be in the next month or so. So we're probably one of the only few companies right now in certainly continental North America, even, or continental United States, that's as close to production as we are. So we have an underground mine here near Ouray, Colorado, and we're fully permitted for production. We're 126 of our own people on site, so we're blazing away, getting ourselves into production. We're looking at first ore through the mill in July, which is just around the corner, and moving ourselves up to full production through August and September. We're looking to be positive cash flow in September of this year. Right now, depending on how the startup goes, we're looking at around between 1.3 to 1.6 million ounces this year of production. We're fully funded to get ourselves into production and through to cash flow positive. We should have a cushion of about around 13, 14 million after we get there. So, there's no need of us to go back to the market at this stage. So, we're pretty happy where we are. We're making great progress. Things are going on schedule, pretty much on budget. So, exciting times for us.
Yeah, I would say so. In fact, I'll be looking forward in the coming months talking about what it's like when you spent your entire life putting yourself in the position to run a silver company that's about to go into production when 40% of the dollars of the world's reserve currency have been printed in the last year. And Bitcoin up 120x since 2016, while silver is at half of its 1980 high. I know there are not many of us left who are into the buy low, sell high ideology, but I love it. So, Kevin, I appreciate you stopping by. And before we let you run, I see by the third week of May, during the third week of May, and I'm actually about to head to Phoenix this week, and I think it looks like I'm going to be coming through Colorado. So hopefully maybe I can swing by with a camera and we can even show people what it looks like on site.
You'd be most welcome indeed. Come on by. We may be able to have the vein opened up on the 1800 level by then. You can take a look at the thing.
I like the sounds of that. I will bring Nibbles. He's good at sniffing out silver. Hey, before we wrap up, can you just let folks know if they have questions, they want to get more information, or they have their financial planner get questions answered? How do they do that?
Oh, you can see the contact information there. Me directly, you can get kdrover@aurcana.com, or Gary Lindsay, our IR specialist. Gary is always available as well. So yeah, you can get us at any of those numbers. My cell number, if you want to call me directly, is 778-558-1812.
Well, I sure appreciate that, Kevin. Especially because having been on Wall Street and seeing the way a lot of these groups or companies or regulators are completely unreachable, it's one of the things I love about the mining industry. Quite refreshing. So thanks for the update. Congratulations on the news. And yeah, maybe I'll see you out there third week of May.
Right on, Chris. Thanks very much. Appreciate it. Looking forward to future chats.
Cool. And we are clear. Ooh, that was